So today, you'll learn how to change the keyboard on your OnePlus 13. So the first step in changing your keyboard is to ensure that you have installed a second keyboard. So by default, your OnePlus 13 uses the Google keyboard, also known as the Gboard. So in order for you to switch to something else, you'll have to install a third-party keyboard. And to do that, you want to launch your Play Store or the app Pix, whichever one you prefer. And then you want to search for the keyboard that you wish to install. So you can simply just type keyboard and then search for them. And then you should see different types of keyboards that you can install onto your OnePlus. So for me, I'll be installing the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. So I'll just select it and then tap on install. And so then just wait for the keyboard to be installed onto your phone. Once you've installed the keyboard, you then want to open the Settings app. And then under Settings, you want to go to System and Updates. And then from here, you want to tap on Keyboard and Input Method. So the first step is to ensure that you've turned on that Microsoft SwiftKey. So go to Manage Keyboards and then tap on the toggle to enable the Microsoft SwiftKey and then activate. Once you've activated it, you then want to go back. And then under Current Keyboard, you want to tap on it and select Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Once you've done that, you've successfully changed the keyboards. So now whenever you're typing something out, you should see the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard if that is the keyboard you've decided to go with. If you have any other keyboard, then you should still see it appearing on your screen. If you want to switch back to the Gboard, then you just come back to your keyboard settings, select Current Keyboard, and then tap on Gboard, and then it should take you back to your Gboard keyboard. And so that's how you can change keyboards on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.